You have the power to transform your operation and lead the decarbonisation of the mining industry. Every decision you make can have a real impact on the planet and your business. Newsteel's electric vehicle trucks offer much more than just a technological shift. It doesn't matter the brand or model of your current fleet. At Newsteel, we can convert any combustion truck into a high-performance electric vehicle. Our conversion process is fast and efficient, allowing you to reduce emissions without having to overhaul your entire fleet from scratch. Plus, with Newsteel, you get 80% savings on fuel costs, 80% savings on maintenance, zero greenhouse gas emissions, helping you reduce your carbon footprint. You promote the circular economy by extending the lifespan of your trucks. Up to 7 hours of range with just 50 minutes of charging. Less than 20 decibels in the cabin, improving operator comfort. Increased power on slopes. 73% of energy recovered during braking, recharging the batteries. And within just 6 months, you'll recover your investment. Each converted truck increases its productivity by 4%, as the reduced weight of the components optimises its performance. Every one of these benefits brings you closer to a more efficient and sustainable operation. We are ready to support you on this journey towards decarbonisation. Are you ready to take the next step? Visit our website today and discover how we can help transform your fleet. The future is waiting for you. Newsteel.